Angie Cody, your American Dream TV lifestyle host and real estate agent. We are here in downtown Knoxville at the 17th Annual Young Williams Mardi Gras Parade. This parade is a dog parade that is actually a dog party, and it's a way for Young Williams Animal Center, which is a non-kill center, to raise money for their foundation. Holy cow! We are behind the scenes and talking to Chastity, who has coordinated this whole 17th Annual Mardi Gras event. She is the marketing director for Young Williams, and I would like to know what is the most exciting thing about this event?
The dogs! I think it's the dogs.
Let's see some dogs.
The costumes are incredible, the people are incredible,
Yes.
but surely it's all about the dogs. And that's
is.
why we do it.
And don't you think about sometimes when all dog owners get together, it's kind of like a community?
Absolutely. Knoxville is so pet friendly.
Yes.
And you see all of that at this festival. You
I
see
know.
people from all around Knoxville, even outside of Knoxville, like Oak Ridge, they come in, they have fun with the dogs, and it's just so fun to watch.
It is. It is. I am a huge dog lover. Where do all the proceeds go to?
Yes, all the funds raised from today goes towards the life-saving work that we do every single day.
Yes.
Whether that's medical care for the dogs that come in. As you know, we take in about 10,000 animals each year. So
how many?
10,000. More than 10,000 animals come through our doors.
Holy
And this
moly.
is one of our largest fundraising events. So
Yes.
it helps to raise that money for those care. Whether that's food, treats, toys, anything that animals need while they're with us,
Yes.
this event will help provide that for them.
So is this your biggest fundraiser, or is there another fundraiser that we should be looking out for?
It is one of our largest fundraisers, but we also have another one in the fall called Paws for Paws. And that's more of a sit-down dinner. Not as many dogs involved with that one, but this is our largest one.
Oh,
yes.
cool. As you can see, I'm excited to be here.
Yes, it's fun.
And thanks so much for taking time out to talk to us.
Of course.
We are here with a local business that bakes homemade dog treats. And this is Pam. How did you get started?
We had a dog, our first pup, with severe allergies, and we basically made his treats for him his whole life. And the original River Dog nibble is a Nicholas nibble. His name was Nicholas, and we made the treats for him. And the store's named after our second dog. And so we saw a huge need because there were stores in other parts of the country that we had visited, but none here in Knoxville at the time. This is our Young Williams 17th Mardi Growl, and we've been at every one. We've just turned 18.
I was just gonna ask you.
Yeah, we turned 18 last November.
So you're like the goat here.
We're the goat.
So what sets you apart from another vendor that bakes locally?
Well, there aren't many of us. I think we may be the only one.
Okay, cool.
But we bake all of our treats in-house. They're all baked right there at our Bearden location. We actually have a second store now that's in Farragut.
Yes.
And all the treats are baked and sent to them, and they can do special orders as well. And so.
Oh my goodness, I hope you enjoyed watching the biggest dog parade in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I cannot wait for you to watch my next episode of American Dream TV, Selling Knoxville. And I'll see you soon.